Hey everybody, this is Professor Johnson. This is the first of 3 brief videos to link together these concepts we've been discussing of quality, voice of the customer, and CTQs, or critical to quality. And this will all be related to supporting your part 3 of your case studies as you look at how your company collects a VOC and uses that VOC to ensure service or product quality. So just as a point of reference, this is our OM pyramid we've been working with this semester, and our conversation here really incorporates both our quality discussion and the process design discussion that we've been having all these recent weeks. So here's our definition of quality. From Collier and Evans, quality is meeting or exceeding customer expectations, and that is the essence of it. When we are meeting or exceeding customer expectations, we are delivering the quality service or products or goods that our customers expect. There's a few other definitions to be clear on here as well. One is specifications, and so specifications are targets or tolerances determined by the designers of the goods or services, and so that, of course, is us. The critical thing here is to make sure these specifications actually reflect the customer's expectations. What we have to do with these specifications is quantify what the customer's expectations are. And that can be challenging sometimes, so we'll look at ways to address that. But in order to measure the effectiveness of our quality, the effectiveness of our services, and the quality of our goods, we need to identify specifications. And then finally, we've got the term here, quality of conformance. The extent to which a process is able to deliver output that conforms to the design specifications. So if we have a well-designed service that could be internal or external to internal or external customers, if we have a well-designed service, then the processes that are a part of that service are going to be conforming to our design specifications and be delivering the level of quality that our customers expect. In other words, it'll be meeting or exceeding their expectations. One other term here that we're going to draw in from Collier Chapter 6 before we go too much further, and that is voice of the customer. So you'll recall that when we were talking about process design earlier, we talked about voice of the customer, which was customer requirements expressed in their own words. And voice of the customer is critical to making sure we are designing the quality into the service or good that our customers expect. So understanding what our customers' requirements are at the beginning of our design process is essential. And you'll recall that we utilized a voice of the customer tool from the ASQ to help us whittle down what is the voice of the customer. And we went on a bit of a virtual Gemba walk using an episode from Airline. Of course, you can do this with focus groups and other ways as well, and we'll talk about that a little bit more in the next video. So this first video is just to find some of our key concepts that we'll be using in the next 2 as we go through our adventure of quality, VOC, and CTQ.